Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Coldfire, and today I am bringing you another Morissette request. There was a bunch of them stacked into one comment, so I'm going to try to do as many as I can of her. Trying to go back and look and see which ones I've done and which ones I haven't to do is the most time consuming ones. If you're subscribed to the channel, you can go in and look and see what all I have on there, and you'll be able to tell if I've reacted to the song or not. So it'd be quicker for me to just pull the song up and say, hey, yeah, I know I haven't reacted to that song yet. But just keep that in mind, because I get a lot of double requests, because I do have a playlist for each artist that I do on the channel. So if you go on my channel and look up Morissette, you'll see the songs that I've reacted to by her. But anyways, I am going to be reacting to Fly Like a Bird. It's a Mariah Carey covered, featuring Kiko, Salazar, and Adonis Tabanda. And it's by, of course, Morissette, Amon. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this and see what she does with us. She never disappoints.
There's a place up above, below my heart and struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the world, break me tonight, to need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold, I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the road, break me tonight, leave the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold, I pray you'll come and carry me home. I need you right now, Lord. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. With God's love you'll survive. Fly like a bird, take to the sky.
Wow. Was that a... Okay. That was... Wow. I love the whole way that they picture framed everything. Kind of like a video. I don't know if this is a video or not. But they did it very tastefully. And her vocals were just out of this world. I like the fact that she goes into that high chirp like Mariah Carey is known for, but somehow, and please don't take this the wrong way, I like the way that Morissette sings it better than Mariah Carey, because sometimes Mariah Carey carries that pitch a little bit too far, and then it's not as soothing to your ear listening to it, as opposed to the way Morissette just sang it. She went with that high chirp, but she didn't keep it there for too long that it was agonizing. It was pleasurable. She had strong vocal capabilities in this song, and she took it there. She took it to a new height, and it looked like she was having so much fun with this song. And it's like when she sings, it's like effortless. It's like breathing, or, it just comes naturally to her. And that's the great thing about Morissette, is she's like, her and Gigi are almost alike in that aspect. They both like to have fun. You can tell they enjoy doing what they do. But each of them have their own distinctive voice ranges. I mean, I have reacted to them side by side, and I can see each of them have their own unique sound. So it's hard to compare and say, this one does it better, this one does it better. But with this song here, I have heard this song by Mariah Carey, and I didn't really like the song too much until Morissette just did this one. This would be an option that I would go with more than the original. Sorry if I offend anyone out there. This is a reaction video, and I have to tell the truth where the truth is told. Morissette slayed this song. That's all I have to say about that. But anyways, that was my reaction to Fly Like a Bird by Morissette, which is a Mariah Carey cover. And that was a very good requested song that you gave me to react to. And I look forward to reacting to more of Morissette. And until then, I will see you on the next video. And to all my Filipino brothers and sisters over there, and anywhere else in the world that you might be listening to this channel, just remember, I'm not your typical American. I love everyone in the whole world. There's no reason not to. We've never met each other. And we're all human beings. Let's face it. We all have a heart. Let's use it. Love each other. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.